Usage reports. The account administration has a section for usage reports. This is helpful when monitoring use per client and/or per user. Click Add Subscription to set up automatic emails with the details of your searches, times, dates, reference codes, and cost incurred. You can also choose to run a usage report at any time by clicking Run Usage Report. This allows you to pull a report on demand in the format you want for the dates that you need. Did you know that Delvepoint offers 25 free credits each year for accounts that complete a training? Contact training@delvepoint.com or call us at 866-945-1667 for more information. Thank you for choosing Delvepoint.